Hey guys, so this is the second video from my Zoom session with aspiring newbie freelancers. As soon as you sign up, the first thing you'll be asked to do is select your skills. I have covered 10 freelancing jobs you can apply to as a newbie and with explanation on each of them in my previous video. If you have not checked it yet, the link to the video is added in the description box. After choosing your skills, the next step in freelancer.com will be to complete your profile. Link your accounts if you want to, and describe your profile as best as you can. So here, even though you know national languages, unless you are aware of skills like transcription, choose English, which is widely spoken in many parts of the world. After completing all the details of your profile and verifying the email ID, you will be asked to verify the payment method. This is not a mandatory step unless you want to go for freelancer.com memberships.
So you don't have to select a payment method to verify. You can actually skip it. But I would highly recommend you to go for a free trial. The reason for this is you will be able to choose 80 skills as well as you can bid on 100 projects, which means you can apply to 100 projects. So your probability is more. Somebody asked me, right, how long it takes to get a project. So I had gone for this free trial membership, and within 1 month, I was able to get a project. So the more you bid, the more probability you have in getting your project.
How much is a paid membership?
A paid membership is about 730 rupees per month. Within this free trial, you will be able to get a project if you're like constantly bidding. And if you're writing some detailed proposals. Is you will have to append your credit card. So you have to be very careful. You have to cancel the free membership by those 14 days of free trial.
We have to link the credit card for the 14-day membership itself.
Actually, for trial membership, they will just ask you to append the credit card to bill you after 14 days. They will not bill you immediately.
And what is the limitations? It's just 100 projects.
Yeah, like see, now I have not gone for a free trial. So I think I'll have about 10 bids. 10 bids means you can only bid for 10 projects. After that, you will not be able to bid. You will have to wait for the next month or 30 days to have your bids come back to you as 10. Okay, I'll see if I can show you. Okay. So these are their membership plans. So with the intro membership, you will get 15 bids per month and 30 skills. Whereas in the free membership, it will be 10 bids per month and 20 skills. So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can. So that plus is 1 month trial.
Yeah, it's a 1 month trial. So within that 1 month, you might be able to get a project, and maybe whatever income you're getting from the project, you can again put it into another membership. I was doing that. So initially I had taken the free membership. So when I had got projects, I had again and again invested into memberships. And so it depends on project to project on how much you're going to get back. You won't really break even. You will do much more than that. It's ideally about how you sell yourself. I think you can go for an hourly rate of like $3 per hour. It's not more, it's not less also.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, I'll just put a random picture because I think without the profile picture, you'll not be able to move forward. And I'm going to set my USD per hour as 3.
Once you have completed your profile, you can start applying to projects. The projects are populated in freelancer.com based on the skills you have chosen. I couldn't include how to select projects, bid and write proposals in this video. I will cover that in the next one. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment with your doubt or DM me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye.